Hello everyone, this is me Satya here and I'm doing your bonus love read. This reading is going to be for the sign of Taurus. So this is the last sign I'm doing this reading for. I've done it for every other sign. So yep. If there is a specific someone in your life that you really love and you really would love to have them back and you really wonder at times will they come back to you, yes or no, this reading is definitely going to help you find the answer to that. I will add oracle cards in this reading, but no charms will be added, so stay tuned. And while I shuffle the cards, let me remind you it's a general reading. It may not resonate with everyone out there, so always pick the messages which are resonating and leave the rest. For personal reads, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also follow me on Instagram where I do upload daily readings. So Taurus, let's find out whoever it is that you really love, that you really wish to come back to you. Let's find out. Will they come back to you? Yes or no? The Tower, the Sun, Queen of Wands, the World. They will. And they will come back to you unexpectedly. You would not expect them to come back to you at that time and frame when they will do come back to you. This person would be completely changed. This person is going to have some sort of a divine intervention on their part around the connection that they have with you. So I feel like they will come to you when they will be dealing with something shitty in their life. I feel like that's gonna make them realize what they went, what they made you go through. Now, for some of you, maybe they will be in another relationship right now, and as that relationship ends, they're gonna realize how their connection was with you and how much you love this person. It can be that for some of you as well, but it can be any other situation which is not going to be favorable for them, which is not going to be like making them feel good about it. So for some of you, if they had left you for their family, another person, work, anything, if they have left you for another thing, another person, another situation, that situation is not going to work well for them, and they will realize that soon, and they will come back to you. They will basically rush back to you is what I'm picking up. They would miss you, they would miss your love, they would miss your passion for them, they would miss you for who you are. And I feel like it's going to be very unexpected for you. And when this person is back to you, I feel like they will be completely a changed person. If they have been very arrogant, if they have been very self-centered, this person will be completely changed as as they come back to you. So there will be like a huge difference, huge change in this person when they come back to you. So I do see that yes, they will, and that too very unexpectedly, and maybe they will be coming in to propose you, to express their love for you. Especially like if this person has been very emotionally unavailable, this person is going to be opening up about their feelings again. Like I said, they will be completely different person then. Somehow they would have I don't know, there is this feeling of regret in their energy. There is a feeling of what they have lost in their energy. They have feeling of um they would feel that there is something missing in their life, and which is somehow connected to you, which is somehow going to bring them back to you. They would, if they left you for their passion for work, they would feel like they got everything now, but there is something missing in their life. Again, that's gonna again make them think of you. That's gonna make them think of how you love this person. So they will definitely come back to you, and with unexpected things to offer, with unexpected change to your surprise for sure. And this person will be prepared for all the things that they never were before, so they will be completely changed. And in the deck we do have the Ten of Wands. You're going to put an end to the past situations and start anew together. They definitely will be coming back to you, there's no question or doubt around it. But yes, there will be nothing from the old left in the connection. Gratitude, you will be very grateful, thankful for them coming back to you. Not just you, but they will also be very happy to be back with you. This person will be somebody who is very grateful as well. Maybe earlier they were not, but when they come back to you, when they are back in your life, they will be very grateful for you, for having you in their life. So yeah, let's take more cards. Let's see what else do we have. The answers you need are coming. For some of you, you don't know what's going on in their life right now. Maybe the answers that you need around this person, around the situation, you will also get all of them once they are back in your life. Step out of your comfort zone. For some of you, you might have to um, maybe you or the person that you are dealing with, they have to come out of their comfort zone. Now for those of you who have been, very dull lately, maybe it's time for you to start, get happy, because they are about to enter back in your life, and try to do things that makes you feel good. Don't be lazy around your life. Don't be lazy. Don't be lying down there thinking negative they will never come back or something to do with that. Try to get yourself happy, excited. Go out, feel positive, and let this person come back to you. Accept. Criticizing one another will only lead to further unhappiness. Love and accept each other as you are, and your relationship will magically transform. Now, this is a message for those of you who are planning to complain when they come back. You did this, you did that, and stuff like that. Don't do that. Just forget the past, like this card suggests. Ten of Wands. Leave the past baggage behind and move towards something beautiful together. Don't bring the past in. Once you got your guy, your girl is back to you, make sure you start something beautiful together. Start something with positivity. Start something new. Instead of focusing on what did they do to you, how you reacted, how they reacted, and stuff, just try to forget, forgive, and move on with them to have a beautiful future. Forgiving and learning. As you release and heal the past, you experience more love in your present moments. Again, the same message as this card suggested. Love and accept each other as you are, and your relationship will magically transform. It's very important, or it is going to be very important, for you to forgive and forget and learn from what you did, they did, and try to move on from the past, accepting each other the way you both are, and experience love for each other in this very moment, instead of focusing on what happened in the past. Just be grateful for having them back. For some of you, you might have a tendency of complaining and pushing them away as well. Now that's where the gratitude comes in. If you are happy to have them back, let them be there for you. Let them be in your life. Don't push them away thinking negative, with negative mindset, with negative talks. Just forget the past and start anew together with each other, with more love for each other, more acceptance to each other as well. So try to start anew in a proper new way. Don't let the past ruin the connection again. So yeah, this pretty much it comes up for you for this read. If the reading resonated with you, do like, subscribe, and share. If you're willing to get a personal read, you can always reach out to me for that on my email ID in the description box. Till I do the next reading for you guys, take care. Bye bye.